Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Jay Shetty channel analytics. He has uploaded 449 videos. He now has 3.93 million subscribers with a total view of 169,645,937 views. He's from US, and his channel type is People. He created his channel since September 19, 2013. The grade he got is B, and he ranked at 1,160th in US and 350th in People. Next, the daily subs for Jay is around 1.33k with a daily view of 124,595. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 125,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $500. Then, monthly income will be $15,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $8,250 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $99,000. That is how much Jay Shetty earns from YouTube.